You haven't lost your motivation. You've downregulated your dopamine receptors. After years of hyperstimulation, your brain literally removed its own ability to feel pleasure. And there is a specific protocol to reverse it. D2 receptors sit on the surface of your neurons. They catch dopamine. Every time you flood your system with dopamine, your brain pulls a few receptors off the surface. A PT imaging study at Brookhaven National Lab measured this directly. People with compulsive behaviors had 15 to 20% fewer D2 receptors than normal. That's the same pattern they see in cocaine and methamphetamine addicts. This is not a willpower problem. This is hardware damage. There's a protein called delta phos-B. It accumulates in your nucleus accumbens every time you repeat the behavior. Normal proteins break down in hours. Delta phos-B has a half-life of 6 to 8 weeks. It rewrites which genes turn on and off in your reward circuitry. It makes the compulsion feel essential. Like breathing. That's why you can't just stop. The compulsion is written into your cells. Your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that controls impulse and decision-making, has physically shrunk. Researchers call it hypofrontality, less gray matter, less self-control. The organ responsible for willpower has been structurally weakened. Cambridge University confirmed it with brain imaging. Compulsive sexual behavior activates the exact same reward circuits as drug addiction. Same brain, same hijacking, different substance. 3 interventions, all backed by clinical data. Step 1. Controlled boredom. You cut the hyperstimulating input completely. Your D2 receptors begin regrowing at 14 days. Substantial recovery between weeks 8 and 12. Near baseline receptor density by 12 to 18 months. Step 2. Cold water immersion. 57 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 to 2 minutes. A study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology measured a 250% increase in baseline dopamine, lasting over 2 hours. That's comparable to cocaine, but this pathway upregulates your receptors instead of destroying them. Step 3. L-tyrosine, the amino acid precursor your brain needs to build dopamine. Most protocols leave out the cofactors. L-tyrosine only converts to dopamine with vitamin B6, iron, and folate. Without all 4, you're burning raw material with no engine to process it. This is not permanent damage. This is neuroplasticity. The same mechanism that rewired your brain against you can rewire it back. 14 days to feel the shift. 90 days for major recovery. You didn't lose who you are. Your receptors went offline. Start the protocol. Bring them back. If you like stories like these, please like and subscribe.